Your roof has seen better days and is ready for a makeover. Let's give it a brand new look with IKO Dynasty Shingles. Our team at Home Restoration Experts is here to save the day. We start by saying goodbye to the old, tired shingles. We remove the old shingles, ensuring we don't miss any details. A solid foundation is key to a lasting roof. Why IKO Dynasty Shingles, you ask? They come with ArmorZone technology, offering top-notch durability and wind resistance. Plus, their vibrant colors make your roof stand out. We install a protective underlayment to guard against moisture. Then, our experts meticulously place each IKO Dynasty shingle, ensuring perfect alignment and security. With a Class 3 impact resistance rating, these shingles are tough enough to handle even the worst hailstorms. The transformation is stunning. Your roof is now looking fabulous and ready to take on whatever Mother Nature throws its way. We love our new roof from Home Restoration Experts. It's not just beautiful, it's built to last. Is your roof ready for a makeover? Contact Home Restoration Experts today at 877-814-9737 or visit us at 4320 Winfield Road, Warrenville, Illinois. 60555. Let's make your roof smile with IKO Dynasty Shingles.